Hello, hello, hello. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Hi fam, so today we are going to look at gold chart and let's see if we can get any trade. So let's let's do some analysis. So on a daily chart, let me refresh this. You can see here the market has taken this high liquidity. This high liquidity has been taken. Let me remove these all diagrams or drawings. Okay, so now the market has taken this high liquidity and we have this FVG right down here. So what does market usually do? That market after ERL, market drops toward IRL. So now on a higher time frame, I'm thinking the market should drop, and the market should drop below to this high, this low, sorry, and then we continue to go up. So this is our plan for the long term, like here, and then go up. But let's see what we can expect in short term. So in short term we have, like, in 4 hour we have to shift it to 4 hour, and here you can see that the market has tapped in this is the liquidity the market has taken, and this one, sorry, and then the market has tapped in this order block. The market has tapped in this order block right here, and it has taken the liquidity too. So now I'm thinking that the market should drop below. We also have this FVG, so if market break this FVG, it's mean that it want to go down. So we may see a continuation in London session to drop down, or otherwise we can go up. So here I can just go directly to 15-minute chart, and let's see if we can get anything. Okay, so right here, what is actually happening? We have this liquidity taken, market has broken down this low, tapped in this FVG. This FVG is broken right here, and now we have, let me mark it again. Now we have this, sorry, now we have this high, and the market has, what is this shit? Remove it. Okay, I'm non-professional, bro. Okay, so market has taken this high, and the market then gave up a structure shift and also broke this FVG right here. Market has tapped in this FVG. We have this 4-hour FVG. If this broke up, like, you can see continuation to this downside. We have this liquidity too here. Look, this is clear liquidity, and if you can see it, if this is the liquidity I'm talking about, actually this one. So now I'm waiting for the market to drop from that area. We also have a turtle soup here. This candle liquidity is taken by this one. Let's drop to the lower time frame and let's see what we can get here. Like, let's drop to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so in 5-minute chart, you can see that this liquidity taken. Okay, that's good, and we have this order block right here. So let's see if we can get any movement from this area to, like, all the way to this area. So let's see. Oh, someone's come and then left. Let's wait. I can write here M15 FVG because it is M15 FVG. M15 FVG in the center of inside. Yes. Now let's wait for our entry. So let me remove this thing because it will not work here. Because it will not work here. Okay, XAGUSD in a silver chart. This is, yes, this is an SMT. Okay, it's good. Let me SMT in the center. We have a liquidity below this low, so I will mark it as a dollar sign. So I want a rejection from this area and drop below to these low, because this is all clear liquidity. Okay, so it's going up right now, but we will be waiting for the drop. I want a drop, and then I want the market to go drop below this order block, this low. This will be then a breaker block, and you can take an easily 2 or 3 hour trade here. I want to enter this trade like directly without confirmation, but it will be a little bit risky. Like put a stop loss above this, put a stop loss here, and boom, like this. So it is 1:6 trade, but I think it will be risky, so I'm not taking that risk right now. So let's wait for some confirmations, and then we might do some trade. Let's wait here. Right now we can just wait for confirmation. So this is not the trade we want actually. Let's wait for the confirmation right here. Let's see. So now we can mark this liquidity because it's major liquidity, and if market sweep this and then continue to drop down, then it will be a really good sign for sell. So let's just wait for it to drop below this low, below this high. This is clear liquidity right here. Look at this. This area is like pure liquidity, and the market may take this. So let me shift it to the 3-minute chart, what it's saying. So in 3-minute chart, our structure shift will be from this area. Okay. And in 5-minute, our structure shift is like below this order block. But let's see, we can get some other confirmations too. So why not just wait for it and London session started or not? London session Asian range. So maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, London session is started. This is an order block to this area. And market is tapped in this order block, but let's see if we can get any kind of confirmation. What about 1 minute chart? Is there any clear view? So this is 1 minute chart. Let me draw this liquidity clear. So you can see here in 1 minute chart we can see this liquidity has been taken and the market has tapped in the premium range. I think so, it's a premium range. Hopefully yes, it's a premium range. So market tapped in the premium range, took out this high liquidity, holding this FEG, I mean order block. So now there are chances the market drop toward these highs. So we will be entering after some confirmations, otherwise we will just wait. Let's see. Okay, so it's not going down, that's good. I mean not come because we want to sell the market, so they have to go down. Sometimes market drops, but then it continued to go up to tap in this discount of this move and then drop again. Let's see, let's wait for it. We have this liquidity right here, and this will be our TP if it continues to drop. Let's wait and watch. What about 1 hour chart? We have to check across all charts. So in 1 hour chart, this FEG is broken, market tape like go above tapped in this FEG. So I think according to 1 hour we may drop too, so we are bearish from all time frames. So let's get back to this 1 minute chart. Oops, yeah, now I want the market to break this low, this one, and then I'm like tapped in the order block or breaker box something, and then we might continue to go down. Let's see. So here I will mark it as an MSS. Where is MSS? Okay, here it is. So now the market has to drop and then we might take a trade. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so like this type of candles are like very manipulator, so I'll be waiting for the confirmation. The market should drop below this order block, or otherwise I'm not taking any trade. Simple as that. Okay, so market took out the liquidity of this accumulation and continue to go up, but let's see how far can it go, or it's just a fake out or volatile candles. Let's wait for it. Okay. What is 3 minutes saying? So in 3 minutes, this candle may close bearish, so I think it's a good sign for sell, but no, it's not close bearish. Let's wait for our confirmation. We need a confirmation to trade. The market is just consolidating and not going down. Let's wait and wait and wait. So if the market drop below this low, then this candle will be our order block and this candle will be our breaker block. So it will be a good sell toward these lows, because these are like non-taken lows. The market has not taken any previous low, so there will be a lot of buy stops below this low. These are lows. Let's wait for the confirmation first and then we might take trade. Currently 2 people are watching us. One is me and one is, I don't know who is that one. Can I see him? No, there's no option here. Oh, he left. So now the market is like giving a bullish vibes. Look, this liquidity can they create a high, market drop, go up and close. If this close above this high, then this will be an order block, and we might go above from that area then, but let's wait. Okay, so now this became order block, and now it may go up. Yeah, this is order block now. Let's see how high it can go. It's the 3-minute chart. So in 3-minute chart, the market is like going up right now, but let's wait. Did it took any kind of high in higher time frame? I don't think so. We have this inversion right here. Actually this a BPR. We have this inversion and then this inversion, so it make it a BPR. Should I mark it? I don't think so, because if market want to go up, then these things doesn't matter. But let me mark it. This is a BPR and this BPR has no value. Look at it. Wow, this candle is nice. Count these high. I don't think so. The market will go down before taking these highs, but let's see. We need some top loss volatility from the gold to like dump again. Let's see if it is respecting this or not. So the market may take this high and then we continue to, then we will look for like what will happen. So I think we will be wind up in this because we didn't got any trade. I will be like live streaming in the New York too, so let's see if we can get any trade that time.